Hi, my name is Carlos Fernando Hernández Estelo. I'm born in Culiacán, Sinaloa, Mexico, and I grew up in Culiacán. Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you my education. Where did I study? Well, first of all, I started my kinder in Little Giant. Is the Pequeño Gigante en español. Then I went to Sinaloa school and I spent 4 years there. Then I moved to Chapultepec Institute and I was there another 4 years. Then I spent another year in the Little Giant and I ended my middle school there. Then I moved to TecMilenio University and I have been there since then. And I like it too much. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, it could be better, but yeah, it's kind of good. Well, one of my hobbies are read. I read a lot. I like too much to read, especially like science fiction, and well, I like to make puzzles. I like to play video games. I like too much watch videos on YouTube. Um, I like to watch streamings on Twitch and that kind of stuff. Well, right now I'm living with my mother. My mother and my father get divorced in 2017, and that's why I'm living with my mother. But my father is living in Culiacan as well, so I don't get to a part of him. Well, sports, I like too much. I like too much Barcelona. I like it too much. I guess it's one of my favorite teams, and I have a lot of favorite teams like Inter of Milan, Liverpool, Manchester City, FC Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund, and I like too much teams, but that ones are my like the coolest for me. And well, I like to read a lot of comics. I read like a lot of comics and of Marvel actually. I like it too much. Um, Sports I like as well. As well as you may know, I like too much soccer. I have another products of Barcelona there and that kind of stuff. I like too much soccer. Um, I like too much basketball as well. I like football. The only sport that I think that I don't like is baseball. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Um, and yeah, that kind of sports. I like almost all the sports I liked, but baseball I don't know why I don't like it. I mean, it's like boring to me. I don't know. It makes me. I don't know. I don't like it. And that's the end. Thank you, teacher.